The United Kingdom has revised its travel policy to include Covishield as an approved vaccine after India warned it of reciprocal action. However, Indians vaccinated with Covishield will still need to quarantine due to certification issues. The United Kingdom said it is working with India to expand recognition of vaccine certification to people vaccinated by a relevant public health body in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi departed from New Delhi today for his visit to the United States. He will attend the Quad Leaders Summit, hold bilateral meetings, and address United Nations General Assembly debate during his September 22nd to 25th visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to meet United States President Joe Biden on September 24th. On the occasion of World Rhino Day, the Assam government today burned over 2,400 rhino horns to bust myths associated with the rhino horn. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said the use of rhino horns for medicinal purposes is a myth. One-horned rhino is not only integral to our civilization but also a symbol of our prized heritage and identity, Chief Minister Sarma said. Canada has extended ban on all direct commercial passenger flights from India until September 26th. 3 direct flights from India will reach Canada today, and the ban would be lifted on the basis of the results of COVID-19 tests on passengers on those flights. After the ban is lifted, passengers will require a negative report from an approved laboratory. Turkey's President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has referred to the issue of Kashmir at the United Nations General Assembly session. Erdogan, in his address to the general debate on Tuesday, said, "We maintain our stance in favor of solving the ongoing problem in Kashmir for 74 years through dialogue between the parties and within the framework of relevant United Nations resolutions." Air Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, presently the Vice Chief of Air Staff, will be the next Chief of Air Staff. He will take over as the Chief of Air Staff after retirement of Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria on September 30th. Chaudhary has been commissioned into IAF's fighter stream on December 29, 1982 and has held various appointments in the Indian Air Force. A drone footage showed lava from Spanish Canary Islands' La Palma volcano seeping into a swimming pool and destroying several houses on its way to the coast. More than 100 houses have reportedly been destroyed. More than 5,000 people were evacuated after lava began to flow on Sunday from the volcano, which last saw a major eruption in 1971.